Welcome, adventurers! Are you ready for an incredible journey? In this video series, we combine the love for fitness and the joy of exploring the outdoors with the aim of improving your English language skills. From hiking to yoga, rock climbing to kayaking, get ready to push your limits, expand your horizons, and build a stronger body and mind, all while immersing yourself in the English language. So, let's get started. In today's adventure, we begin with an invigorating hike, exploring the untouched beauty of nature. As we stride through magnificent forests and conquer scenic mountain peaks, you'll not only immerse yourself in astounding landscapes, but also engage in English conversations with our experts along the way. This blend of physical activity and language learning will keep you motivated and inspired throughout the journey. Next up, we switch gears to a calming yoga session on a tranquil beach. Feel the gentle sea breeze on your skin as you stretch and meditate, guided by our experienced instructors. Enhance your English vocabulary with every pose, as you learn the names of various yoga positions while finding inner peace amidst the serene sounds of crashing waves. Prepare yourself for an adrenaline-pumping experience as we tackle roaring river rapids. Rafting is not only a thrilling adventure but also an opportunity to practice teamwork and communication skills in English. Row your way through the raging currents, overcoming challenges, and building camaraderie with fellow adventurers, all while honing your language abilities. Calling all adventure enthusiasts, get ready to conquer towering cliffs and unleash your inner daredevil. Our rock climbing expedition will push your physical limits while providing you with an immersive English learning environment. Learn the essential climbing jargon, communicate effectively with your climbing partner, and experience an unmatched rush of achievement as you reach the summit. We conclude our outdoor fitness adventures with a peaceful kayak journey across a serene lake. Feel the tranquility as you paddle through calm waters, admiring the beauty of nature surrounding you. Engage in English conversations with your fellow kayakers, exchanging stories and laughter while improving your language fluency. It's the perfect way to unwind after an exhilarating series of challenges. Thank you for joining us on these unforgettable outdoor fitness adventures in English. We hope this series has not only kept you active and energized but also given your English language skills a boost. From the breathtaking landscapes to the camaraderie built along the way, we've shared moments that will stay with us forever. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes and prepare for your next thrilling adventure. Remember, stay fit, keep exploring, and continue to master the English language. Until next time.